Hello, and welcome to a quick overview of how to use the digital edition of WoundSource 2020. We will start with how to navigate the digital edition platform, and then do a brief walkthrough of the content itself. Starting in the upper left-hand corner, we have the menu icon, which allows you to access the table of contents for navigating the digital edition. In the lower left-hand corner, Go to Page lets you scroll through an image preview of the different pages to jump to a specific section of the digital edition. Next to Go to Page is the full screen view option. In the bottom right is the search function, which allows you to search for key phrases within the digital edition. The Notes option lets you add notes on specific pages of the digital edition. These notes will stay where you place them until you either delete the note or clear your browsing history, and these notes are only visible to you. Next to the Notes option is the More menu, which includes some additional features of the digital edition. This includes the Layout option, where you can choose either a single-page view or a two-page spread, as well as additional features for changing the language of the navigation, as well as viewing a tutorial of how to use the digital edition. To navigate the digital edition content, you can use the arrows on the side of the page to advance, the right and left arrows on your keyboard, or you can also use the scroll wheel of your mouse to scroll through the pages. Notice that any content that shows up in yellow is a hyperlink either to other pages within the digital edition or to external pages, as you will see on the various advertisements. Let's use the table of contents under the menu to navigate to the main section of the digital edition, the Products Index. You'll see that the product information in this section is organized by category and then subcategory. If we look at the Dressings category as an example, at the beginning of the subcategories, there is a comparison grid which allows you to compare products at a glance, based on a standardized set of features. The next major section of the digital edition is the Patient Condition Index. Let's use the Go to Page functionality to move to this section. The Patient Condition Index highlights specific products that can be used on different types of wounds. You'll note that WoundSource is fully cross-referenced with page references between the products, patient conditions, and companies sections. All these cross-references are live links in the digital edition, so you can use these links to quickly navigate to the various sections of the book. In this case, we will navigate to the company section, where you can see the full contact information for the manufacturer of a specific product. Email addresses and websites are also live links, allowing you to easily find or request more information on a specific product or company. At this point, we have discussed the Products Index, the Patient Condition Index, and the Companies Index. If you know the name of the specific product that you're looking for, you can use the Trade Names Index to find the page reference for that product within the Products Index. In the back of the digital edition, you will also find a full list of the advertisements in WoundSource with page references. That's it for this quick walkthrough of the WoundSource 2020 digital edition. If you have any questions about how to use the digital edition, please email us at info@kestrelhealthinfo.com. Thank you.